Starting a garden is one of the best ways to bring nature closer to home, and it's easier than you might think. Today, I'll guide you through the essentials you need to know to get started with confidence. First up, planning your space. You don't need a big yard, a small balcony, windowsill, or patio can work just fine. Take a look at the sunlight in your space. Most plants thrive with at least 6 hours of sun each day, so find the sunniest spot. Once you have your location, think about what you want to grow. Herbs, flowers, and some vegetables can do well even in small containers. Next, let's talk about choosing your plants. For beginners, I recommend starting with easy, resilient plants like basil, mint, or marigolds. These plants are hardy, forgiving, and don't need a lot of care. They're a great way to build up your confidence and keep you motivated as you start seeing results. Now, gather your tools. You don't need a lot to get started, just a small trowel, a watering can, and some gardening gloves to protect your hands. A good quality potting mix is essential, too. This provides nutrients and helps keep your plant's roots happy and healthy. Let's cover the basics of watering. For new plants, keep the soil consistently moist but avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. A simple tip: water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Over time, you'll get a feel for what your plants need just by looking at them. Finally, remember that gardening is a journey. Some plants will thrive, others might not, and that's okay. Every experience helps you learn. Start small, enjoy the process, and celebrate each new leaf and bloom along the way. Happy gardening!